Well, not to start some trouble, but it's been called the most divisive wood tone of the 90s, if there is such a thing, and it's back.
Yeah, apparently. So the design is, the headline that's catching everyone's attention off guard is honey oak. You know, that warm, golden, country-inspired color that used to be a kitchen cupboard staple? Well, people want it again. It's cozy, certainly nostalgic, but how's it showing up again in 2026? We've got designer Melissa Reynolds here, has some thoughts on that. I kind of felt like we were avoiding this like the plague, weren't we?
Well, I think it's one of those things that not everybody can afford to renovate their home every time trends change. So we're going to embrace it, and we're going to have some easy tips on how to make it still look beautiful.
Well, I think that's what I love. I mean, designers we've talked to say they aren't exactly sourcing it for like new builds. But if you're someone who is living in an older home, or maybe you're shopping in the older home market, maybe this is now just an excuse or reason to embrace it.
It's still out there.
Yeah.
So why not still try and make it beautiful? And you can. It doesn't have to have that 90s feel that it once used to have.
So is this just one of those things, if you can't beat them, join them?
Yeah,
is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna still make it look great, and in this decade.
So honey oak fits into the category of warm woods. If not honey oak, we are still seeing some of the warmer woods. Why do you think that's making such a comeback?
I think warm wood is coming back because we're kind of on the heels of like the modern farmhouse trend where everything was black and white, and so now we're realizing we kind of need some warmth in our homes. It feels homey, it's welcoming, and so warmer woods definitely achieve that. So honey oak is not necessarily something new and that we're sourcing now, but it achieves the same concept.
The same feel.
Yeah.
So how do you make that work for 2026? I'm assuming you have to change a couple of things.
We're going to change a few things. We're going to add a few things. The first thing is we need to have contrast in there, contrasting colors. So if you think about the kitchens from the 90s, everything was the same finish. Cabinetry, flooring.
It was like a wash.
Millwork. It was like overwhelming wood. So now we're adding contrasting colors. You need to add lighter tones to help break that up, and you can do that through paint colors, through rugs, countertops, like put in some bar stools that are not wood that's going to break up all of that wood feel so it won't feel so overwhelming.
What colors do work with warmer woods, or what are some of your favorite palettes?
So I would do warm whites.
Okay.
I would do like organic greens, even like moodier blues. Stay away from the 90s colors like the reds, the darker greens.
I have pink in my mind's eye.
Probably not pink.
Don't you? Like a mauve or a taupe color?
Oh, no. Now we said mauve.
Mauve. Well, mauve is great. Maybe not with honey oak.
Texture made your list, and that kind of surprised me. What does texture do to break up the warm wood?
I feel like texture adds so much softness. So that's what we need. Again, like sometimes the way that honey oak used to be is you'd walk in, it would just feel so overwhelming and in your face and heavy.
Okay.
And so if we're adding texture, it really softens it up, and it also comes in line with the same concept of adding contrast. So we're talking about rugs, window treatments, any kind of soft cushion on your bar stools, things like that that's really going to soften it up.
What about hardware and lighting?
Hardware and lighting, I think, is the best way to make the space feel more modern. So if you do have one of those old, outdated kitchens, switch out your hardware, switch out your lighting, and it instantly will feel more updated.
Yeah, but wait, are we doing like gold or bronze or brushed nickel?
I would probably steer clear of the gold just because it's the same
tone.
Kind of, and it's going to make it feel too warm.
You can't go black, can you, on that?
I would do black, or
okay.
like a brushed nickel. Yeah.
Okay. And then the lighting to soften it up. And we mentioned color. Combined, when you add these elements to those, more traditional wood tones, what's the vibe we're going for? Cozy?
I think it's like a transitional style. So it's not, again, we're not trying to have the same 90s feel. It's kind of updated, but we still have some of the nostalgia from the colors. It's going to feel warm, but it's also going to feel updated and more modern.
I kind of like it.
I like it too.
Yeah.
I think embrace
That's why it's coming back, right?
Yeah,
Once you start talking about it, it's infectious. Where do we connect with you for more designer ideas?
You can find me at brasshouseinteriors.com or Brass House Interiors on Instagram.
All right. Thanks for the inspiration.
Thank you.